Hi, dear Pisces. This is Anjali Tarot, and I'm really sorry for being so inconsistent because I was having typhoid. So I just recovered and I am doing the readings again. So this is a general love reading from today till the end of April. We will tap into a partner's energy and your energy, and we will see what will be the outcome. Okay. So your partner's energy right now is the Three of Pentacles. I feel like now your partner is ready to put in the effort, to put in the teamwork to make this relationship work out with you, Pisces. I feel like in the past they were not ready to put in the effort, or they were not ready to make this relationship work out, or to put their energy in this relationship to heal this relationship. But now your partner is in this energy of working out with you, working out on this relationship, not like physical workout, that could also be possible, but yes, your partner is also ready to put in the effort to make this relationship work out eventually. How they feel about you, how they see you, particularly they see you as somebody who is holding back a lot. They see you as somebody who is not talking to them maybe, or communicating on that level that they should. Okay, and your partner can clearly see that you are holding back a lot and you're not telling them exactly what you are going through, or you're also in this healing zone. Your partner feels like you are healing from something right now, you are healing from some kind of a bad phase or a disease or something like that. So basically they feel like you are right now in the healing zone, and that is why they might be not disturbing you a lot in the recent past. Okay, so how they feel about this relationship, Queen of Cups. They feel this relationship is the only thing that they require in this life to be happy and to be content, to be stable in this life. They feel very stable, emotionally stable in this relationship. They feel very good, very beautiful in this relationship. They feel loved and they love you. This is the mutual feeling. I feel like you both parties love each other, but to be very honest, they feel loved in this relationship, they feel wanted in this relationship. They feel the way you make them feel, nobody else can make them feel the way you make them feel. Okay, this is the energy from their side. Okay, what they want from this relationship is the Ace of Wands. They want to have a brand new beginning in this relationship with you, Pisces. They want this relationship to work out. I feel like they were holding back in the past, or they were busy doing something else in the past. Now they are coming back to you. Now they are ready to have a brand new beginning with you because they feel very, very stable and loved by you. They feel like you are the right person for them, who can give them the total happiness and contentment that they want in a particular relationship, or with the relationship in a relationship with a partner. Okay, the outcome from their side is the Moon. I feel like they have lots of subconscious fear moving towards you. Although they feel loved by you, although they love you, although they are ready to have a brand new beginning, although all they want is brand new beginning with you, passionate beginning with you, but they are holding back right now because till the end of April I don't feel them coming towards you and telling you that yes, they want this brand new beginning with you, because I feel like they are going through some kind of emotional loss. Maybe they are going through some kind of subconscious fears, lots of changes going on, holding back. Deep down they know that you are the right person for them, you love them and they love you, but they are holding back till the end of April. I feel like they are holding back, they are not going to reveal the true feelings to you, their intention to you. I feel like they are going through some kind of bad phase, and that they are going through some kind of subconscious fears that they have to deal with before coming towards you. Okay, that is what's happening from their side. Okay, Pisces, your energy right now is a Two of Swords. You are also closed off, you are totally closed off in the matters of heart. I feel you are also like, I don't care now this about this particular person, because they make me go through a lot, and that is why I am holding back. I am not allowing this person to come back to me and start the bullshit again. So I feel like you're holding back a lot, Pisces, by the end of April. Or your current energies of holding back, you are on the crossroads. Maybe you are in the confused state whether I should give this person another chance or not, whether I should keep this person in my life or not. Although you see this person is a very lovely person, is a very creative person, but you feel right now you are feeling closed off. Right now your heart is not in this zone of making any kind of decision. How you see your person, Ace of Pentacles. You see your person as somebody who is ready to have a brand new beginning with you, who is offering you something beautiful, who's maybe they are just offering you a brand new friendship, or they are trying to say that let's start with friendship and let's see where it is going. But you can see that there is some kind of offer coming from them towards you, or they just proposed you for friendship thing, or they just invited you to their place and you guys had a good time. So whatever it is, you can feel that their energy is changing and they are ready for a brand new beginning, okay? Or this could also mean a new person coming towards you, Pisces. This could also mean a new love offer coming towards you, okay? Might be a financial, might be you met somebody in your office or at your workspace or something like that, but this could also mean there's somebody new coming in towards you, or you can see some new energy coming towards you, okay? How you see your partner? You see your partner as the empress. You feel like your partner is very creative, very beautiful, very talented, and they have all the required skills that a person needs from another person in a relationship. So I feel like you feel like this person is a complete package of, you know, hotness and beauty and creativity. You see your partner in a very, you feel for your partner a very loving energy, a very caring energy. You feel your partner is somebody who is very very beautiful inside out and creative person, and a very maybe fertile person. Maybe your partner is if it is for some of you, maybe your partner is pregnant right now and you are going to love them more and more each day if they are pregnant, if you guys are married. So yes, you see, you feel this about this relationship. You feel like this particular person makes you very happy whenever you are with them. You feel very creative, you feel very good, you feel very honest with yourself, and you feel like, yes, I am very happy and I am very good in my own skin, okay? What do you want from this relationship? Queen of Swords. All you want from this relationship is clarity. All you want from this relationship to, you know, remove the mind games completely from this relationship. All you want is from this relationship is openness. You feel like there's something missing in this relationship with this particular person, maybe with the past person. So you feel like there's some kind of unclear thoughts, unclear emotions, unclear things going on, and you just want clarity from this particular person. You just want to be blunt and honest with them. You just want bluntness and openness from their side. That is what you want from this relationship, Pisces. And the outcome from your side is a star. I feel like you are hopeful about this particular person, you are positive about this particular person. This person is coming towards you. This relationship will eventually get a kick start if this was not the case. But you are healing, okay? You are side by side, you are also healing. Side by side, you are very hopeful and positive about this particular person, and you're healing as well, okay? By the end of this month, I feel like they're not coming in as somebody who is telling you that they want you or they love you or something like that. But deep down, they know that you are their true happiness and they are ready for a brand new beginning. But there's some kind of subconscious fears going on. But I feel like they will hold back till the end of April. They are not going to reveal anything to you. On the other hand, you are going through a healing process. You are very, very positive and hopeful about this particular person. The mutual energy about this relationship is the Lovers, the Temperance, and the Page of Wands. I feel like this is I feel like two people are there in your life, Pisces. Somebody new is also there, somebody from the past is also there. So I feel like it could be a Gemini as well, okay? Because the Lovers is the Gemini energy. So all you're doing is the mutual energy is the mutual energy of for both the partners is the Lovers. There's love in this relationship. You guys are trying to balance out the emotions, and there will be a brand new start. There will be a brand new beginning in this relationship if the balance are if the emotions are balanced, and if a decision there's some kind of decision that you have to take regarding this particular person. The Lovers for me is a kind of decision as well. So there is some kind of decision coming towards you and the emotions are balanced. If the emotions are balanced, if there will be balance in the emotions, then there is a brand new beginning in this relationship with this particular person, or there's somebody new coming in with a brand new offer of love towards you, okay? And the bottom of the card is the Knight of Cups in reverse. So I feel like there is lack of communication, maybe. There's no lack, this I don't feel like there's lack of love in this relationship. All I feel is there's lack of open and honest communication and conversation in this relationship. And the overall energy is the Knight of Cups in reverse. So somebody is holding back a lot. Although somebody wants, maybe it is you, maybe it is them, I don't know, but somebody is holding back in this relationship. Although there's love from both the sides, but somebody is holding back and not telling you exactly what they are feeling, okay? But there is a brand new beginning by the end of this month. There will be a brand new honest beginning from their side or your side in this relationship. But There could also be somebody new coming in towards you. Okay, a new brand new love offer is coming towards you. If this is somebody new, they will open up to you eventually, and they will tell you that they love you and they want a relationship with you. And if this is somebody from the past, they will also open up and tell you something, but not being very honest with you, not opening up on that level that you want them to be. Okay, this is what's happening. So let's, the recent past is a self indulgence card. Focus on self worth, time to heal. I told you, you are healing from something. So Pisces, in the recent past you are working on your healing. Okay, and right now your energy is looking at your photos, missing you, nostalgia, make new memories. Somebody is missing you a lot, and somebody is planning to have a brand new beginning with you. I told you that. So, and okay, and in the near future, need time, takes time, in time cycles, time to heal, progress. Yes, this is this relationship, or both the parties need some kind of healing. Then I feel like, then after this healing process is done, then both the parties will be together and both the parties will be happy. So that's all about your love reading, Pisces, till the end of April. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. This will give you some kind of insight moving towards this particular person. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste. Do subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section below if there's something missing in my readings, or if I can improve anything in my readings. Thank you so much. Namaste.